Hey, what's up everyone? It is Tyiece here. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I do my everyday twist out. So I typically wear a lot of twist out because it just helps me to retain length, being that it cuts back on breakage and it also adds nice definition to my 4C natural hair. So since my hair is completely dry after washing it the night before, I am just dampening my hair with some plain water. This makes it easy for me to manipulate my hair without it hurting and also without causing breakage, and it also helps to activate my products to form my twist out. So now I am parting on the side of my head. This is how I want my twist out to lay in the front. So you can do a middle part, a side part, or you don't have to do no part at all. Depends on your preference. So I am going to be doing a chunky type of twist out. So I'm not doing my twist too small. So I'm just getting my hair a bit damp. Again, it just felt a little bit too dry for my liking. After dampening my hair, I have to moisturize my hair. Of course, moisture is key for retaining length, and also it just makes the hair super soft. So I'm just using some leave-in conditioner on my hair from the roots to the ends. So now that my hair is softened, I am just detangling that section so that I do not run into as much breakage or stops while I'm trying to style it. So now that I have my first section, I will be adding some foaming mousse to that section as my styling agent. So this foaming mousse is going to help to add definition to my hair, and it's also going to allow my hair to last for an entire week, and it also adds great shine as well. So you want to distribute that foaming mousse through the hair by brushing it through. And now I am going to start my twist. So I just separate that section into two even sections. Make sure that it is even. Do not do one bigger than the other. This helps you to avoid borrowing hair while you are twisting. So when you borrow hair while you are twisting, your hair isn't going to come out with as much definition, and it's going to be a lot more frizzier and it won't last as long. So with those two sections, keep them separated at all time and only twist them around each other straight to the ends, and then you twirl that end just to lock it into that twist. And I am repeating the same process all over my hair. So twist outs are a great hairstyle for length retention, being that your hair is clumped together, your hair is also stretched out, it isn't shrunken up. So as you know, hair that has a lot of shrinkage or that is always left in a shrunken state tends to have more breakage because the hair just overlaps and knots up on itself. It also causes a lot more single strand knots. So twist outs are great for cutting back on too many single strand knots if that's something that you constantly deal with. Of course, I still get single strand knots, but it's not as much in comparison to just wearing my hair in its natural shrunken afro. So I also love that twist outs add great moisture to my hair. Since the hair is clumped together, there's less airflow in between the strands, and that helps my hair to stay moisturized for a longer time until my next wash day. So I just overall love me a good twist out. It also looks great on me, and it is definitely my go-to hairstyle, and it's very quick and easy to do. So now that I am finished twisting my hair, I just allow my hair to air dry overnight, or you can sit under a hooded dryer on warm heat to lock in more definition, and also it helps it to last a lot longer. So now it is the morning time and I am removing my Humble Glow satin bonnet. So the bonnet helps to lock in moisture in those twists so that my hair can definitely look a lot more moisturized and feel soft. So to take down my twist, I just separate that section. As you can see, it comes apart effortlessly. So this is how you want your twist to unravel. If I borrowed hair, it wouldn't look like this. So this is key when you are installing those twists. So you just start from the base root and you just pull that twist apart and it should come out with no problem. Look at that definition. Okay, so I want more volume on my hair since I did really chunky twists and a lot of my scalp is showing. So I just go in and separate each section just one time just to add more volume and make my hair look a lot fuller. So try not to over separate your hair or else it just loses all the definition and it can definitely just revert back to an afro. Or you don't have to separate at all if you did your twist small enough. But since these are chunky twists, I definitely had to separate them. So with great installation, a twist out should last up to 5 to 6 days if you followed all of the directions. Make sure that your hair is 100% dry before you unravel your twist. If you wake up and your hair is still damp, then it won't be worth it to take it down. So you can either sit under a hooded dryer or just use a regular blow dryer to make sure that your hair is super dry if you're in a rush to go somewhere for the day. Or if you don't have nowhere to go for the day, definitely wait until later on that day or the next day to take it down. So if you follow all of these steps, you should get a great 5 to 6 days of wear without having to retwist your hair. Retwisting your hair every night means that your twist out did not come out properly or you didn't install it the correct way. So now I'm just brushing up the edges to my liking and fluffing it and just trying to shape it. So as the day goes on, it definitely falls a lot more and throughout the week it gets a lot more fluffier. So this is the end result of my twist out. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Give this video a rating and subscribe for weekly videos.